for Jesus. All of my words gonna see this.
Never give up.
I'm not broken, I am saved. All my sins are washed away. I got a brand new identity. I died to myself and he lives in me.
God is on time but not in time. Ako po dati, if there's such thing as a black sheep, at magpapatunay nito yung aking mga magulang, hindi ako black sheep. I am toasted charcoal sheep. And so much corrupted during the time. Ako ang tanggero ng barangay. Hindi nyo ko malalasing. Lahat tropa. Kung hindi ako mahal ng Diyos, dapat noon palang patay na ako. But God waited for me. As He is waiting for you.
Stepping in to the secret place. I'm moving into your embrace. It's just me and you.
Siyempre number one, yung faith natin kay God. Kahit na may mga naging struggle ako na papunta rito, is nakatuloy pa rin ako. Nakadiretso pa rin ako dito kahit na may mga nangyaring hindi naasahan. Nakatuloy pa rin ako dito kasi nga gusto rin talaga ng Lord na makarating na ako rito. Kasi nga dahil first time ko rito, parang sabi ng Lord, sige na, papuntahin na kita dyan. Bibigyan mo kita ng struggle pero kakayanin mo. Hindi kita pababayaan, kumapit ka lang sa akin. Magtiwala ka lang palagi sa Kanya.
Best experience ko po sa camp, yung team building, nakakatapos lang. Sobrang enjoyment po ng ka-team ko po. Nakagdulungan kami, nag-enjoy. At the same time, calm at saka naramdaman po namin yung presence and guidance ni Lord.
God is always on time. God is always patient. And sobrang unconditional ng love ni Lord na hindi niya tayo i-condemn. Pero hihintayin niya tayo na magsisi sa mga kasalanan natin.
Best experience ko dito sa camp, siguro yung warm ng mga tao. Kasi at my age kasi, kumbaga, hindi ko masasabing masasama ako sa youth. Kaya lang, kumbaga, ako, hiyang-hiya ako. Pero nung kalaunan, medyo nakita ko yung warm ng iba. Nawala ako sa comfort
Take
zone
me
ko.
back to the beginning, to the hour and a minute. Oh, when you met me and I gave you my heart, gave you my heart. I gave you everything, and this is where it started. When I heard and when I got it. Oh, I believe the name you set me apart, set me apart. Never the same again. I remember what you've done and all the battles you have won. Jesus, your love never failed. You made a way, and I know there's so much more than I've been asking for. So with all my heart and all my soul, I celebrate.
Alam niyo ba, na kapag mas nakikilala niyo si Jesus, mas hahanapin at mas gusto niyo siyang mahalin. Pwede kang lumago, diba? Tapos may problema ka, tapos pinilit mong isuot na ito lang. Pero, hindi malalim yung ugat. Darating pa rin ang panahon na sabihin mo, dapat pa rin nagtiwala ako. Kung kilala mo si Jesus, hindi ka matutuwa.
Cause you changed my heart and my way of thinking.